Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid dishwasher insulation. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new insulation. The insulation wraps around the dishwasher to dampen sound. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged. In order to get to the part, we have to pull the dishwasher out. First thing we're going to do is go underneath the sink and disconnect the lines. First thing we're going to do is remove your dishwasher drain line, follow it up to wherever it goes and remove the clamp. We're going to use a 5/16 on ours. Make sure that when you take these off, that you have some towels around. Both the water line and the drain line might put some water out. Next thing we have to do is remove the fill line. It's usually connected to the hot water tap, and of course we already had that shut off and the power disconnected from earlier. But now we need to remove the line, and we can take it off with a 5/8 inch wrench. Now that we have the lines disconnected, we can open up the dishwasher door and remove the screws that hold the dishwasher to the countertop. We're going to use a Phillips screwdriver to take them out. Now that you have both screws out, we're going to lift up on the door and use it to carefully start the dishwasher coming out of the cabinets. Once you have it out enough, you can close the door and use the frame to pull it out the rest of the way. Once you have the dishwasher out, we have to remove the little push-in rivets that hold the insulation on. There's one on each side down at the bottom. We're going to take them both off so we can get the insulation off. To get the push-in rivets out, you just want to be careful with them. You can take on needle nose pliers and get behind them. You just want to carefully pull them out of the hole so you can reuse it. Once you have it off the frame, you can pull it out of the insulation and set it aside. Then we can go do the one on the other side. Once you have the second one off, you can set it aside and we can pull the insulation off the dishwasher. To take the insulation off, you just have to carefully lift it off. If it's stuck on there from the heat over the years, you just have to pull it free. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dishwasher. Here's the old insulation next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new insulation on, we're just going to carefully drape it over the dishwasher. And you want to center it as best you can. Just go by the sides back here. Not really go by the label because the label's off center on this one. Once you have it centered, we can go down and put the rivets in. To put the rivets in, you may have to pull the insulation down a little bit so it lines up with your rivet hole. There's a couple holes that you can put the rivet through. You want to make sure you go with the one that's closest to your hole in the frame. Once you have it lined up, we can put the rivet through the insulation and then guide it over to the frame. And then all you have to do is push the rivet in so it locks into the frame. Once you have this one done, we can go to the one on the other side. Now that we have both sides installed, we can push the dishwasher back into the cabinets. First thing we need to do is put the lines back through the cabinet. We want to push the dishwasher in about halfway and then go underneath the sink and pull on the hoses to make sure that they're not kinked or caught on anything underneath. We can push it back into the counter. If your new insulation is thicker, you may have to push it down as you push the dishwasher back in so it doesn't get torn. We can hook back up the lines. So we're going to hook up the water line and use our 5/8 inch wrench to tighten it down. Then we can hook up the drain line back up to the air gap. All you have to do is push it on and tighten down the clamp using your 5/16 nut driver or screwdriver. Now that we have the lines connected, we can close the cabinets and open up the dishwasher. Once you have the door open, you can use our Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in and hold the dishwasher to the countertop. Now that we have the dishwasher mounted, we can close the door, plug it back in, turn the water back on, take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.